Lanterns are fun accessories to include in both your winter and summer decor. Add farmhouse style to the equation and you can make a rustic version with only scrap wood, a few tools, and some paint. These are perfect for everything from lining a walkway, adding accents to a mantle, or giving away as housewarming gifts. For each lantern, you'll need a table saw, a miter saw, or both, depending on the size of your scrap wood. Scrap wood, safety glasses, a nail gun, hot glue gun, wood filler, and a piece of sandpaper, tension wire, wire snips, and pliers, drill, a bit slightly larger than your tension wire, paint, and a paintbrush. First, cut your scrap wood to size with your table saw, your miter saw, or both. I'm using 3/4 inch thick plywood for almost everything, so my measurements are based on that thickness. 2 pieces cut to 4 inches by 4 inches, 4 pieces cut to 3/4 inch wide by 10 inches long, 4 pieces cut to 1 inch wide by 2 inches long, 4 pieces cut to 1 inch wide by 2.5 inches long, 4 pieces cut to 3/4 inch wide by 1 inch long, and 1 piece of a ripped 2x4 cut to 1.5 inches long. With your scrap wood cut, you're ready to assemble. Dab a bit of hot glue onto each corner of one 4x4 and glue the 10-inch pieces to each spot. Turn the piece over and shoot a nail into each corner to secure. Do the same on the other side with the other 4x4 piece. Glue the 4 1-inch long pieces on the bottom as feet and follow by shooting a nail into each. Next, glue in the 4 bottom lip pieces, 2 1-inch pieces and 2 2.5-inch pieces. Let the glue set and then do the same thing for the upper lip pieces. As these pieces are pretty small and you'd be shooting the nail in from the 4x4, I'd recommend skipping the nail step with these pieces. It's not worth the risk to your fingers. Move on to the top of your lantern and glue your ripped 2x4 piece in the very middle. After you've gotten your lantern assembled, fill the nail holes in with wood filler and let dry. Lightly sand over the top to remove the excess. Time to paint. Paint your lantern inside and out. This hides the filled nail holes and will pull everything together if you used mismatched scrap wood like I did. Drill a hole through the middle of the top 2x4 piece. Cut a length of tension wire with the snips and run it through the hole to make a handle. Bend it with the pliers if needed to keep the ends in place. If you prefer a larger version of this lantern, double the size of the 4x4 and cut 2 8-inch by 8-inch pieces for the base and the top. Use ripped 2x4 pieces for the rest. 12 inches long for the 4 side pieces, 5 inches long for the 4 upper and 4 lower lip pieces, and 1-inch pieces for the 4 feet. I also used 4 2.25-inch pieces to make a more substantial square-shaped top piece. Add a flameless candle and you're done! Those small scrap wood pieces have never looked better. On the Fly DIY.